Themba Mkhize, born in Durban in 1957, was introduced to music at an early age. He discovered jazz while in high school and was spotted by local band Duke's Combo. In 1981, he started performing professionally with the band Sakile. In 1984, Themba joined renowned band Biographical and remained part of the celebrated ensemble for over 10 years. He took a role in the musical Bua, which was written by Caiphus Semenya and toured around Africa featuring many musical greats. After having worked with the best of South African musicians, including Hugh Masekela, Sibongile Khumalo, and Miriam Makeba, Themba released his long overdue solo album, Tales from the South, in 1999. His debut album was a glorious celebration of the experiences he had gained and served as a signature release of energy from this talented Durban musician. The album received a warm response from critics and won 3 awards at the South African Music Awards in 2000, followed by Daimler Chrysler's Best Musician Award. Themba's musical virtuosity, coupled with his persistent attempts to marry traditional Zulu and jazz idioms, have made him an artist worthy of worldwide attention. In 2008, Themba released Scenes from South Africa, which presented key recordings from his solo albums, with trumpeter Hugh Masekela and vocalist Sibongile Khumalo as featured guests. His mix of African rhythms with American jazz created a pioneering style in the evolution of jazz and world music. In addition to music and performances, Themba owns Mavovo Production Studios and co-owns Tela Music with partner Stella Khumalo. The multi-award-winning jazz maestro, producer, pianist, and music director also conducts workshops to impart his musical skills and knowledge. His son, Themba Mkhize, is also a world-renowned jazz musician who was awarded the prestigious Standard Bank Young Artist of the Year Award for Jazz in 2012.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Themba Mkhize.